The second he sees me, maybe I can make that work for me. He told Bloom he'd deliver what we found, including the blackmail Iraq has on them. Yeah, he's painted himself into a corner.
You didn't bring my data, I didn't bring your sister. We're so predictable.
You made a deal with Bloom.
Where did you hear that?
You have a problem, Damien. See, that deal hinges on the hard drive. What are you gonna tell him if I give you nothing?
You're forgetting something. Your sister lives or dies in a phone call.
Then kill her.
Doesn't he look like...
Shit, better not hang around.
That's the guy the cops are looking for.
Spotted in downtown Chicago. Police are asking people to remain calm. Do not approach the suspect. He is considered armed and dangerous.
I think that's the guy the cops are after.
Damn it. Damien's hacking these billboards.
911, please state your emergency. You're gonna have to get somebody out.
There.
I think I've lost a caller.
KZ van. You gotta shut it down.
Police believe Pierce has been acting as a vigilante for months. He is violent and possibly unstable.
You're making this too hard, Aiden. Don't force me to show you up.
You got nothing to show me.
Wrong again. You know those fancy tricks you do with CTOS? I've been watching and learning. Want to see what I can do?
This is what a deal with the devil gets me.
Don't let them catch you, my boy. That wouldn't be good for Sis now, would it?
All units, CQF scan completed. Suspect location is being distributed now.
Suspect in sight.
Shit, better not hang around.
You're looking for him on the
Shit, it's that
Wait,
vigilante.
That's the maniac from
Spotted in
TV.
downtown Chicago. Police are asking people to remain calm. Do not approach the suspect. He is considered armed and dangerous. Many of you
Damn
were
it.
contacted.
Damien's hacking these billboards from somewhere. There. WKZ van. You gotta shut it down.
Police believe Pierce has been acting as a vigilante for months. He is violent and possibly
You're making this too hard, Aiden. Don't force me to show you up.
You got nothing to show me.
Wrong again. You know those fancy tricks you do with CTOS? I've been watching and learning. Want to see what I can do?
This is what a deal with the devil gets me.
Don't let them catch you, my boy. That wouldn't be good for Sis now, would it?
to all units. PTOS scan has located and marked suspect.
Deploying lethal force. Stop! Now!
A patrol SU